In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add 2 columns in Microsoft Word. Adding columns to your document can come in handy if you want to improve its readability, especially with documents like newspaper articles, newsletters, and flyers. We're going to use the Columns feature in Word. First, navigate to the Layout tab. In the Page Setup, click Columns, and then select the layout you want. In this case, we select the To option. Alternatively, you can select other options and create even more columns. You can choose 1, default, 2, 3, left, right, or more columns. To apply columns to only part of your document, select the text that you want to format. On the Layout tab, click Columns, then click More Columns. In the Columns dialog box that appears, we select the To option. Click Selected Text from Apply to Box, and click OK. To change the size of your columns, you can easily click and drag the edges of the ruler at the top of your document. If you don't see the ruler, navigate to the View tab, and in the Show section, check the box next to Ruler. Remember that this is an optional adjustment. If you prefer not to change the column sizes, you don't have to. Your columns will be equal in size by default. Be sure to save your Word document once you're finished. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.